To DoorDash to another state in 2025, you will need to meet the company's requirements and follow specific steps. First, ensure you have an active DoorDash account and a clean driving record. You must also be at least 18 years old and have a valid government-issued ID. Next, check if DoorDash is available in the state you want to dash to. As the service area varies by location, you can do this by visiting the DoorDash website and entering the city or zip code you are interested in. After verifying the service area, you will need to update your account information to reflect your new location. This can be done through the DoorDash app or website by going to your account settings and updating your address. Once your account is updated, you can start dashing in the new state. However, keep in mind that you may need to meet specific in-state requirements, such as obtaining an in-state business license or registering your vehicle. It is also important to note that DoorDash has a rating system, and maintaining a high rating is crucial to continue dashing. To achieve this, ensure you provide excellent customer service, follow the app's instructions, and meet the delivery times. Additionally, be aware of the taxes and fees associated with dashing in another state. You may need to file taxes in both your home state and the state you are dashing in. And you will need to factor in expenses such as gas and vehicle maintenance. To maximize your earnings while dashing in another state, consider dashing during peak hours, such as lunch and dinner times, and take advantage of bonus zones and challenges. You can also use the DoorDash app to track your earnings and stay up to date on promotions and incentives. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully DoorDash to another state in 2025. Remember to always follow the company's guidelines and regulations, and provide excellent customer service to maintain a high rating and maximize your earnings.